We are going to do same but different. We are going to use think, pair, share to look at the images. So we are going to think, and then we're going to pair, we're going to talk to the person beside us, and then we are going to talk about how they are the same and how they are different. Okay, is everybody ready? So we're going to do think first. You don't need to use your mouth, you're just going to think with your inside. Look at these two pictures. How are they the same? How are they different? So can you think first? I think they are the same because I think they are different because think, Connor, think, Ellie, think, everybody thinking. Now, Connor, if you want to sit in beside Evelyn, you can tell Evelyn, we're going to pair. Can you listen to the person beside you? Can you get them to tell you how they think they are the same? So can you talk to the person beside you, Jan, so talk to Tommy. How are they the same? Aaron, tell Callum, how are they the same? Ryan, tell Vlada how you think they are the same. Tell Evelyn how you think, tell Evelyn how you think they are the same. Tell Mia how you think they are the same. How are they the same? Okay, if you haven't told the person or listened to the person, how are they different? Can you ask, how are they different? Can you listen to the person beside you? What do they think? How are they different? So talk to your partner again, please. How are they not the same? How are they different? Mia with Raheem with Mia. How are they not the same? Okay, I want you to share now with me. Can you put your hand up? I want you to tell me ways that they're the same. Let's do ways that they're the same. Archer, can you tell me a way that they're the same?
Because the up have 5 and the bottom have 1. And the other one has 3 and the bottom have 3.
And Arthur, is that the way they're the same or is that the way they're different?
The same.
Can you tell me why you think they are both the same? Why they're both the same?
Because the top has 5 and there's 1 makes 6.
Oh, so that makes 6. Yes. And this one here?
Have 3 and 3.
Oh, so we have 6 here and we have 6 here. And that's why they're the same. Very good. Has anybody got another reason for me for why they're the same? Sophia?
They both have 4 spaces.
Oh, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. They're the same. 4 spaces, 4 spaces. 6 counters, 6 counters. What else is the same about them? Connor?
Well, I see a group of 5 and a group of 1 on the left side.
Yes?
And 4 empty spaces. And they see a group 3 group of 2s and 4 empty spaces.
So they have 4 empty spaces here and 4 empty spaces here, so that's the same, yes?
Yeah.
Can you think of another way that they're the same? Can anybody see another way that it's the same? What are they both sitting in? They're both, Ryan?
In groups.
Yeah, but this is a,
10 frame.
and this is a,
10 frame.
so they're both the same because they're both in a 10 frame. Look at something else that's the same. I have another idea in my head about something else that's the same about them both.
Because there's 3 and there's 3.
There's a 3 and a 3 here. And is there a 3 and a 3 there?
No.
Is there, Harley?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is, isn't there? There's a group of 3, isn't there, Harley? And there's a group of 3. So there's a group of 3 there and a group of 3 there. What else is the same about both of them? I'm thinking of something I can see up there that's the same. They are both the same
Color.
color. They are, because this side is
Blue.
and this side is.
Blue.
Very good. Now, what's different? Hands up. What's different about them? What's not the same? What's different? Sophia.
They're both not in the same shape.
They're not in the same shape. The shape is not the same. Very good. So another reason that they're not the same. Connor.
Because they're not the same empty spaces. You see, one is a square empty space and one is a straight empty space.
Very good. The shape of the empty spaces is not the same. That's the shape of the empty spaces there. And this is the shape of the empty spaces there. And what was the shape Connor said this reminded him of?
Square.
A square. What else is not the same? What else is not the same, is different? Look at the top row in each of them. How many in the top row over here?
2.
2 in the top row?
Fine.
Across the top? How many in the top, Ryan?
5.
And how many in the top over here?
2 and 3.
So how many's in the top over here?
5.
How many's in the top over here?
3.
So is that the same? No, they're not the same number in the top. What about in the bottom, everybody? Look at the bottom. Harley, how many in the bottom here?
1.
How many in the bottom here?
3.
That's not the same either, is it? No, so can we think again? What were the things we said this was the same? They're the same because...
Same number.
Same number. What's the number on both sides, everybody?
6.
This is?
6.
This is?
6.
What else is the same? Evelyn?
That they're both in a 10 frame.
They're both in a 10 frame. 10 frame, 10 frame. What? Another thing that's the same. Grace?
And that they're both 6.
There's 6 on both sides. Very good. Another thing that's the same. Jessie?
Because they're the same color.
They're the same colour, blue and blue. What else is the same? What else did we say was the same? The number of? What did we think? Connor?
A number of counters are the same.
Yes, and what else? The number of, Evelyn?
Spaces.
Spaces. How many spaces here?
4.
4. How many spaces there, Owen? Evelyn, help him. How many on this side?
4.
Very good. 4 on this side as well. How are they different? Can you remember how you told me they were different?
They're not the same shape.
They're not the same shape. Tommy?
The one is in a square and one is like a rectangle.
The shape of the spaces is not the same. So the shape of the counters is not the same. The shape of the spaces is not the same. And was there anything else you said that was the same? Is it the same number on the top and the bottom? Are the numbers on the top and the bottom, Aaron, are they the same? How many on the top over here?
5.
And how many on the top over here?
3.
Is that the same? And what about in the bottom, Aaron? How many on the bottom here?
1.
And how many in the bottom here?
3.
Is that the same?
No.
No, very good. Okay,